Hello everyone, let's continue with our series Roadmap to Become Competitive Programmer 5 star. So in this video we'll be solving the eighth problem which says water filling. Okay. So here they're saying chef has three water bottles at any point. If at least two of them are empty, okay, she will fill them up. But if at most one bottle is empty, she will wait and not fill them up. Okay. So basically there are three bottles, and if at least two of them or maybe three of them also gets empty, water bottle gets empty, then she'll fill them up for basically all. If two bottles empty, she'll fill both. If three bottles are empty, she'll fill all the three. And if there is let's say no bottles are empty, or there is only one bottle is empty, so in that case she will not do anything. So but if at most one bottle is empty, she will wait and not fill them up. You are given three integers b1, b2, b3. If b1 is equal to 1, it means that first bottle is full. Okay, if b1 is equal to 0, it means that the first bottle is empty. Okay, so there are given three integers. So if those integer value is 1, which means they are full, and if it is 0, which means they are empty. So similarly, B2 denotes whether the second bottle is empty, full or empty, and B3 denotes it for the third bottle. Output will have to output water filling time. If chef has to fill the bottles now, if not, output no, not now. So okay, I got what they're saying. Let's see here. First line input will contain t denoting number of test cases. So let's take int t, say in t, while t minus minus. So this will take care of all the test cases, and they're saying the only line of each test case contains three separate integers, space separate integers b1, b2, b3. Let's take b1, b2, b3, and we'll input into our these three values. Okay. Now we'll have to output if it is a water filling time or not. So let's understand with our example. So first test case given is all the three bottles are empty. B1, B2, B3, all are empty. So it's time to fill up the water bottle. So we'll have to output here water filling time. Now let's see second example. It is saying 111, which means all waters are full. So which means we don't need to do anything. And let's see the second one. Second one, it's saying two bottles are full and third bottle is empty. So they are given if at least two bottles are empty, that time you'll have to fill the water bottles, or else no. So in this third case we'll have to return not fill, not now. It is not the time to fill now. Now let's come to the fourth example. Here we have two bottles empty and one bottle is full, so it's time to fill the water bottle. Now if you see the fifth example, we have water bottles full and one is empty, so it's not the time. So basically I think you're getting point what we are trying to do. We'll just count how many water bottles are empty and how many water bottles are full. If the count of water bottle empty is greater than or equal to 2, then in that case we'll have to return water filling time, or else we'll have to return false. So one variable will take empty count will take, okay, empty count, which means it is counting the empty water bottles. So now what we'll do is we'll come up here. If b1 is equals to 0, which means b1 water bottle is empty, then in that case empty count will be increased by 1. Similarly, we'll see if b2 equals to 0, which means b2 is water bottle is empty, so in that case we'll have to increase our count. Now let's see b3. If that is empty, water bottle third is also which means if it is empty, so we'll have to count the empty count plus plus. Now here what we'll have to do is if empty count is greater than equals to 2, so it is saying empty water bottle count is greater than equal to 2, so in that case we'll have to output as filling time. So we'll copy from here water filling time. Okay, else in that if empty water bottle count is less than 2, so in that case it is not the filling time, so in that case we'll have to return not now. Now let's try to run the code. B1 B2 acha, okay, now Okay, here we have declared 2 times b2 b2 same variable, so we're getting error. So let's try to run the code. Yeah, as you can see, output is water fill not now, not now, water fill not now, water fill not now, not now, water fill not now. Let's try to submit the code. Yeah, it got submitted. So in this way you can solve this problem. Basically in this problem, what the crux was is that you'll have to find the number of empty bottles. If that empty bottles greater than or equals to 2, then you will have to print this thing, water filling time, or else we'll have to print not now. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video.